Citi Strata Premier Credit Card Review. Watch before you apply. If you're considering the Citi Strata Premier Credit Card, here's what you need to know before you hit that apply button. This card is designed for travelers and everyday spenders looking to earn rewards on their purchases without the hassle of high fees. The Citi Strata Premier offers a solid rewards program, giving you 3x points on travel-related expenses like airfare, hotels, and car rentals, making it ideal for frequent travelers. You also earn 2x points on dining and entertainment, and 1x point on all other purchases. There's a sign-up bonus of 60,000 points when you spend $4,000 within the first 3 months, worth up to $600 in travel or other redemptions. One of the card's biggest advantages is the lack of foreign transaction fees, which makes it perfect for international use. Plus, the annual fee of $95 is waived for the first year, allowing you to test out the benefits without upfront costs. The Citi Strata Premier also includes a range of travel protections, such as trip cancellation and interruption insurance, baggage delay coverage, and purchase protection. However, this card might not be the best fit if you're looking for premium perks like lounge access, or if you don't travel frequently. The rewards earning rates are competitive, but there are other cards in the market that offer better rates for specific categories. Also, the points are most valuable when redeemed for travel, so if you prefer cashback or other forms of redemption, you might want to consider a different option. In summary, the Citi Strata Premier Credit Card is a solid choice for those who travel moderately and want a straightforward rewards program without high fees. It's best suited for users who want to earn on travel and dining while enjoying essential travel protections. If these features align with your spending habits, this card could be a great addition to your wallet. Make sure to assess your needs and spending patterns before applying to ensure this card is the right fit for you.